Alright guys, I'm using my tripod, so I got two hands. This is crazy. I never got a notification that it shipped. I did order something from Hasbro Toe Shop. As you can tell in the video, it is a, try to do this. This setup is weird, guys. Hasbro Toe Shop. I did pay a good shipping price for this. It's so crazy. With Grotesque, Titans Returns Grotesque, they announced it, and so happened it went on Hasbro Toe Shop. Sold out. Transformer Studios, they finally released what they look like, what the toys look like, and guess what? It's on their website. You can get some. You can get now this is gonna sound weird, but I don't know how to put this. You can give part of Wave 1 Deluxes, which is Bumblebee, which is the remold of the Wave 3 Bumblebee into the classic Camaro. You can get Stinger, new mold of Stinger from and he's from the fourth movie. Crowbar, which is from Dark of the Moon, and he's a remold from Berserker. And who's the other one? Oh, Ratchet. Which, this is what this guy is. So let's get this open. I'm so tired. I was napping because I had to work at 5 a.m. I had work at 5 a.m. Got off at 9, so it's a really weird shift. Really early shift. I'm using my new tripod, guys. Okay, guys, I don't want to damage nothing. I'm really excited for this. Oh my gosh, I can see it from here. As y'all can see. This is crazy. That's crazy. Wow, big screen inspired. And you see, these are the other 3 deluxes from Wave 1 that you can get right now. The limit is 2, so you might want to jump on that. And these are not going to be, this is going to be out of stock till April, I believe, which sucks. Which does really suck. You get this right here. And let's just, oh my gosh, guys. Oh man. This guy is sexy. Just try to pick him up and give y'all a good look. Well, there's not even reviews of this. I mean, I did pay, pretty expensive shipping. $15 is pretty expensive, on top of a $19 figure. But I think from Wave 1 Deluxes, if, they did show Jazz and Lockdown. But besides them two, Ratchet's the only one I wanted. Trying to get a good setup for you guys. Let's get this guy open, I think. Jeez. Oh, that's pretty weird. Is there tape on here? No. I mean, there's tape up there. It seems like you gotta open it at least from here or at the bottom. I guess I'm gonna open at the top. That just seems really strange to me. Okay. Oh man. Da 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 da. I know that's weird. Yeah, you do get the backdrop. That's their newest thing, is their backdrop. Okay, guys. So this is Mission City, I believe. This is from the first movie, so you can have a little backdrop. You know, if it's not windy. Okay, guys, I need a new setup right here. This is the instructions. Very cool. Wow. I believe that I think this is the remold from Dark on the Moon Deluxe Ratchet. And they upscaled, which is crazy, they upscaled the Deluxe Starscream to be a Voyager. And that mold is from Dark on the Moon. So they're doing pretty interesting things, I think. And unlike The Last Night, when it comes to Transformer movies, and that fell, I only like the first to third movie. Wait. Let's see. The first to third movie. The third one being my favorite. I don't mind the second one. It does have its moments, but my favorite from the movie was Ratchet, from those movies. I like Bumblebee because, also like Bumblebee because his voice, he used to do the, like, from movies and stuff, you knew what he was talking about. But in the fourth movie, it's just, I think he just does it, tries to be funny, I think. Trying not to cut my finger. It's hard to tell if it's in focus, guys. Jeez. Oh wow, that's pretty loose. That's a ball joint. So, but I did say this. This is a way improvement. These feet are especially new. And you got ankle tilts. Man. Here's the back. I want to say it's new. I know these little flaps. Try to get a focus. And it's kind of windy and the sunlight's being weird in these things. I gotta get this out. It's not a good way for me to cut that. I may get Stinger. I don't know. His vehicle does look pretty nice, but okay, guys, he is out. Let's see. I think you gotta tab his backpack. It seems like. Oh, jeez. No, that's for transformation. Okay. Oh, jeez, his leg fell off. Oh my gosh, I'm the worst toy guy ever. Ah, jeez, I think you're supposed to do something. Like, I mean, it does get kind of stuck right here, so maybe that's right. And this, you know. Yeah, I found 2007 Voyager Ratchet, all beat up and stuff in a Walmart. I do got the toy hunt for that. Not for that figure, but it was just really strange to see that. I know I've seen a Soundwave, and wow, this guy is nice, very posable. I hope y'all guys shared this video, guys. I'm almost at 200 subs and 900 Instagram followers. But I hope y'all like this video. I don't have that much time to film. I got 12 minutes to film, and it's at 10 now. Oh, jeez. Okay. So yeah, it's moved really fast. Fast. Oh yeah. I mean, I ordered this guy yesterday, and he came in. Um, I'm not. Am I gonna review this guy? I don't know. I would have to delete some old videos but I got kind of frustrated. I couldn't find Wave 2 of Power of the Primes besides Unicronus, Rodimus Unicronus. So I decided to pick this guy up. You got the backdrop. You can stand. So I did order this. It's $19.99. If this is in stores, I actually wouldn't mind paying for that because you are paying for a remold, and these figures that they release just look amazing. I'm not knocking the other deluxes that are available, but I'm just testing the waters a little bit. Yeah, his legs is loose, but his ball joints, y'all could take care of that. I'm probably might take care of that. He probably wasn't a truck this whole time, you know, driving around. So I might I don't know. This guy does look good though. But I hope y'all like this video. If you do, please click that like button. It really helps a lot. If you want to see more, then subscribe. And please share. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. Let's get this guy standing up. There you go. With continued use, it supports increased flexibility over time. It also supports wonderful high levels of humiliation